Hello everyone, my brother has marinated the steaks and he stepped outside to play. Until then, I'm gonna make mango ice cream as a surprise for him. Ice cream is so easy, it only requires 4 ingredients. Come, let's make it. We have taken one mango and we have cut it into cubes, and you can substitute it with any fruit you want, except it has to be 1.5 cups. You have to use 1 can of coconut milk because if you use the carton has less fat, so the ice cream won't be as creamy. 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Put all the ingredients in a blender and blend it till smooth. Just blend the ingredients together. I added a little bit more maple syrup because I thought it needed to be more sweeter. So in total, it's 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Let's pour the mix into the ice cream maker. Looks like the ice cream is ready. Let's serve it before my brother comes. Oh, this is really looking nice.
What, Lukman, what did you make?
Come here, look.
This is mango ice cream, right?
Yes.
Let's try it.
I'll let my brother try first.
Wow, it's really yummy. It's really creamy also. It almost tastes like real ice cream.
This is so good. It almost tastes like store-bought.
The coconut cream makes it like almost real ice cream.
This is so good. Thanks for watching. Click on the link above so you can see how the barbecue turned out.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how the barbecue turned out, click on
barbecue steak.
Like the ice cream is